uh, it becomes a routine, of going to the set, choosing a script, doing a role. And as Kangana, put it so rightly, I always, felt that internet is becoming wider and bigger and bigger and bigger and better and better. And this is the medium that one should really explore and experiment with. And I wanted to get used to it. Somewhere, movies.com, that's how we all started, and with this thought, we all started on this portal. And, and also it gives so much of freedom and liberty to just go ahead and experiment with yourself, to just challenge yourself. Do the kind of roles that you will never get to play in a future film. So just the greed of doing roles, greed of doing various stuff is something keeps on uh, forcing actors like me, just to go ahead and try it out. So uh, Kriti or Tando before this, they were they are the reason was just that, doing these films. But Kriti just happened. Kriti, because I have me and so many guests of Farha, we were having lunch at her place, and I was talking to Shirish, and he thought of he started telling me, explaining me about the story that is written, and it was from a girl point of view, and then I kind of it just came about this idea of why not, let's do it for the portal. And he immediately agreed. He immediately started thinking about it. And in 5 days, we have the script ready. And next 1 month, we shot the film. And then he started editing. And can you believe that he's done the music? And what a fantastic music he's given, in this film. So you come to know so many. You can actually go ahead and put out certain stuff of yourself, certain aspect of yourself that you cannot think about, doing it for the future land. So, and I'll be doing much more, and many more in future.
That's great news.
Yeah, because uh, an actor, when he says that he's very busy, actually he's lying. We are not acting, throughout the year. So we have a whole lot of time. Uh, so we can go ahead and just do something new with ourselves, with our, experiment with our craft, learn some new things. And you can only learn it by doing. You cannot learn it by just thinking about it.
Absolutely. All right, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. All right, I'd now like to ask beautiful Neha Sharma. So Neha, we've never
For coming all the way, and taking our time, and really, raising our prestige. Thank you very much. I'm a very big fan of her. She's doing so much of justice to her talent. Uh, I just hope that she, continues to entertain us, in a much more constructive way as she's been doing. I love Queen. Yeah, loved it. Loved it. Completely loved it. And thank you, all of you. The press, the guest here. More I say, shorter it will be, but I must say that every time we are doing this, and you show up in so many numbers, it only shows that all of you are ready to welcome a certain kind of change in entertainment business, and uh, ये ये बंदा जो है थोड़ा सा जिसको मैं आप लोगों के साथ बोल नहीं सकता, माइंड डॉट डैश 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 उस टाइप का आदमी है जो अपनी चीज़ें बनाता रहता है, बिगाड़ता रहता है, बनाता रहता है, बिगाड़ता रहता है. इसमें परफॉर्मेंस जो है कई तरीके से हो सकती थी, बट टू डू मिनिमम एंड डू जस्ट दैट was the biggest challenge for me. ये हर एक्टर जिसको भी दोगे वो अच्छा करेगा, because as I said, it can be done in thousand ways, and I try to keep it as minimum as possible, because जो हो रहा है उसके दिमाग में ज़्यादातर हो रहा है, उसकी आंखों में हो रहा है, बाकी उसकी बदन में इन सब चीज़ों में नहीं हो रहा है. तो it was an experiment in of sort. I just hope that you know the people get the performance. I like all genre. I like acting. I just I'm so greedy about it. I'm always looking out for new roles, new genre, new kind of storytelling, new way of narrating a great tale. You know, so, जो पहले कही नहीं गई हो, जिस तरीके से पहले कहा नहीं गया हो, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. जिस तरीके से शिरीष ने ये फिल्म बनाई है, इस तरह की फिल्म में मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया था. तो मेरे लिए एक बिल्कुल ही नया एक्सपीरियंस था. एक नए डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना, एक नया थॉट प्रोसेस, नए तरीके से स्टोरी को कहना. So these are the things that every actor is looking for. And I'm sure that all the actors who are sitting here, all of them are looking for challenges, for to challenge themselves, to surprise themselves. At the end of the day, if if you cannot surprise your own self, the audience will never be surprised. It's all the priority is to surprise your own self, and that kind of opportunity can only come from new stories, new thought process of the director.
All right, we have time only for one last question. So we're just going to take one question. I think the lady there. Yes.